guys! Today I'm going to show you an app called Solidworks. Solidworks is going to help you create images, print images, and save images for your school projects. So once you open your account with Solidworks, this first page is what you're going to see. What you're going to do is go up to this plus symbol here and click on it. That's going to bring up these icons here. You are going to choose the first icon that says Shape It. And that is going to take you to this blank board here. This is going to be your drawing board. What you're going to do here is click on this icon here that says Shapes. And that's going to open up this side panel here. And it's going to give you these shapes that you can choose. So you have a box, a cone, a cylinder, a ball, a globe, and a torus. So I'm going to choose a box, and I'm going to choose a cone, and those are going to go on your drawing board. Now to get out of this side panel here, you're going to click on this X right here in the corner, and if you notice here, and when you click on this on your shape, these arrows come up. So wherever you click, these arrows will show up. Okay, and what these arrows are for are to help you reshape the shapes that you've already chosen. So you click on an arrow and you drag. You click on the arrow, and wherever the arrow is pointing is where it's going to drag to. Okay, now say you don't want this, you want to undo it. That's okay, you can. You go to this undo button here and you click, and it'll undo your last action. And there it is. Okay, from here, you are going to print. So you're going to go up to this dotted square here. It says apps. You're going to click on that. And these icons show up. You're going to choose this last icon that says print it. Click on that. And that's going to take you to this next screen. Okay, you're going to click on this middle icon that says 2D print. And this side panel comes up for you. From here, you are going to click color print. Okay, and this is going to give you a printed version on a sheet of paper for you. Okay, to get out here, you're going to click on this X. Now you can also do a 3D print, and that's this first icon here. Now say you have multiple images that you want to use for your school project, or you just don't want to erase this one, you want to save it. That's okay, because this app will do that for you. So what you're going to do is go up to this avatar here in the corner. You're going to click on that. And here under My Projects, you'll see your image saved. Now if you have more images saved, they'll just show up here across the line here. Okay? Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it so much. And thank you for listening. Have a good day. Bye-bye.